NUC, it's the NUC.
Guess what? The Intel NUC 11 Extreme Kit, aka the Beast Canyon, is a small and portable form factor PC. And complementing this Intel NUC Beast Canyon is the ultra-wide LG monitor. So enough about that, let's actually unbox this thing, shall we? This thing comes equipped with a bunch of crazy specs. The 11th gen Intel Core i7-11700B processor, an empty graphics card slot, which would be perfect to insert on your own. DDR4 RAM support up to 64 gigabytes. Over here, I've got me some memory. So let's unbox this, shall we? Guess what? It's engineered to win. Take out the foam, and as we take this bad boy out, they really weren't kidding about it being small and portable. This thing is actually tiny. And the fact that this thing can pack a punch like that, ooh-wee.
So here's what the rear looks like. The I/O, we've got 6 USB 3.1 Gen 2 ports, 2 more are in the front, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, an Ethernet port, and an HDMI port to the internal UHD graphics. And this is where the power goes. Underneath is where we could insert our M.2 SSD for some storage. And with me, I had 1 terabyte of storage, which is plenty to load the OS and load some good games on. Now to take off the side panels of the case, we need to unscrew the 4 corners in the rear like so. Then pull upwards to remove the rear panel, and then the side panels should just pop right off. As we skip along and take the other panel off, underneath we see the Beast Canyon logo, and in this blue area, that's the PCI Express in order to insert our graphics card, which is going to be a 2-slot, 12 inches at most, to kind of keep its small form factor to make sure it fits. But before inserting our RTX 3060 external graphics card, we need to remove the protective covering here to reveal the board, CPU, and memory slots in which we'll pop in our 32 gigs of DDR4 memory. Now we can close it back up, take out our graphics card, and
push it down, and it clicks, just like so. So easy to do. Anybody can do it. Now that that's in, we want to secure it by taking the screws from the shields we took off earlier and locking the graphics card in.
So what you want to do after you secure your graphics card is look for the power connector. In this case, it's the 8-pin. Plug it in, and that's basically it. The NUC is designed to be super easy to set up out of the box, so let's move on and open the LG monitor.
So now that we finished assembling our Intel NUC, we also have our LG UltraGear ultra-wide monitor running at a QHD 3440 by 1440 resolution with a 1 millisecond response time at 144 Hertz, which can be overclocked to 180. And dare I say, this monitor, Beast Canyon, work better together.
Now this might have been the biggest monitor I've ever unboxed before. First thing out is the accessories and the cables.
Part. So we have to take out the styrofoam stand. We've got the, well, this was the base of the stand. This is the actual stand that you probably have to attach together. But we're gonna put that to the side and reveal this ultra-wide monitor. Ta-da! Ooh! They weren't kidding when they said this is ultra-wide, because this is wide.
To assemble, it's quite simple. Unwrap the stand, unwrap the base, attach the stand to the base, then take out the 4 mounting screws in the back, put the stand into the back of the monitor, push it down, and let it click.
It should come off. Press it down and it locks in place. And that's it, super easy to assemble. And here we are, the LG UltraWide paired with the Beast Canyon, which conveniently has just the right amount of height to tuck right underneath it, taking up virtually no space at all.
And after plugging everything in and setting it up together with Windows 11, this is what it looked like.
Well, that was certainly a fun build. Now that we've completed our setup, we can finally play some games. We have the Beast Canyon sitting nicely over here, not taking up too much room at all. LG UltraWide monitor,
Intel mousepad. Thank you very much, Intel. Got a mouse, keyboard, got a couple of boxes there, and what do we have here? Assassin's Creed Valhalla from Ubisoft. Thank you very much. Haven't really played much Assassin's Creed before, but I'm ready to assassinate people. In-game, of course. Alright, so now that I flipped the camera and I'm ready to play some Assassin's Creed Valhalla from Ubisoft, I just want to say that you might notice there's some black bar going on, but that's because, again, this is the LG UltraGear ultra-wide monitor at a 21:9 resolution. Now, when I recorded the unboxing and the setup, that was actually shot in 16:9 on the camera, so there's a little bit of discrepancy there. From the viewer perspective, the black bars might be annoying, but from my perspective as a gamer, seeing everything crisp on the ultra-wide is looking... I have no words, I just want to start playing the game right now. Honestly, I can't believe this is what Assassin's Creed looks like. I remember hearing about it in high school as a teenager, probably back in 2007, 2008. Let's actually go assassinate somebody. I'm gonna go find and rescue my crew. According to my minimap, I need to go 600 meters north, I believe, right? Dude, I'm just chucking along with some tattered clothes in the middle of dead winter in Norway right now. Alright, we're going.
I need to be careful.
Where? My character saw him before I did. Where the hell is he? The Raven's Eye allows for greater environmental... Ah, so if I can't see it...
Guide me.
I have a raven! Let's go. Wealth, mysteries. Oh, you don't say. Well, we see that. Oh! Give me your food. Sorry. I'm hungry. Not hungry. I'm hungry for leather. That's what I'm hungry for.
Shotma's warriors. I should stay out of sight.
His warriors? See, that's what I mean. I don't actually see it.
What do you see, Sunan?
But if I hold this, I could do that. Oh. Now I see him. I'm ready to snipe him with my arrow.
Attention here.
Best not to draw attention, but I like attention, and I'm about to do it. Cool. Huh. Don't tell me what I can and can't do. Draw attention. That's exactly what I did. So let's calculate the strategy to infiltrate the base and rescue my crew. Now, the theme of the game is to assassinate people stealthily and quietly. But sometimes... just gotta march in through the front gate. Okay. Name of the game is stealth. That was the opposite of stealth. Oh. One down. Well, I got the attention of everybody. Might as well just fight it out. Hi-ya! It worked. We want to go inside this building, because I think my crew's in here. We're in.
Unpleasant for both of us.
Time to die. I want to make a mess of it. Fuck out. You just killed yourself, Adky.
Oh, locked. Oh, so you can lock targets. Can I roll? It is. Alt. Well, glad I got the tutorial now. I can snipe him, but I'm out of arrows. Gotta dodge. Nice. Dodge. Huh. Huh. Ricky Wolf! Okay, so stamina is consumed when dodging or missing. So I've actually... Oh, I got hit. No, I didn't. Dodged. I can parry! I'm assuming this island is a giant tutorial, evidently, because I've just learned how to parry. Well, he just whiffed. No parrying there. I spoke too soon. I don't think there's any game where I don't die in the tutorial.
Do a hole and fight.
Dodge. Swing, 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 swing. Dodge. Alright, I'm out of stamina though. Dodge it. I'm so far away, I don't need to dodge anything. Ah! 110. Yeah, shift plus heavy attack. Hit him with a barrage of light and heavies. Okay, stamina is consumed, that's right. But what if I want to change things up? Grab some arrows! Haha! 6 arrows. Prepare yourself, fool. I said parry, but I'm just far away enough that I don't have to. I'm playing the runaway style. Okay, I did 1 parry there. I see a stamina bar above. That's kind of cool. Parry. Bam! 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 Wow, that was not forgiving at all. And I'm on the normal difficulty. I can't imagine what the hardest difficulty is. Getting hit once, I was basically, yeah, it's just 2 shots and I'm dead.
Even if your wits were somewhat rattled. Listen here.
Listen, my wits were not rattled and neither were my
Now
jimmies.
come.
And we are out of here! Oh. Oh. Well, come and get it. I have a brand new axe. And I have a crew behind me, baby. Oh, I parried him. Hit him with the stun. Ooh, the animation. Bam. Bam. Let's try a heavy attack right now. See what that looks like. Is that everybody? I believe it's everybody. Let's go to the boat. Sail home to Fornburg. 3 kilometers. We're 2.8 meters right now. That's not bad. Wait, do I have to navigate? Oh! Uh-oh. 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 It's Titanic. My bad. All aboard. It appears we are stuck. Hold on. Making a little 3-point turn over here. This guy's giving me some snarky comments. We got some skill points. Let's level some skills up and call it there. Let's try doing ranged. But yeah, Assassin's Creed Valhalla was a lot of fun. Thank you, Ubisoft. And thank you, Intel, for the Beast Canyon. Thank you, LG, for the UltraGear. They definitely work better together. Assassin's Creed worked better with it all. I'll catch you guys next time.